I'm going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted contacts on iPhone. First off, you want to go to your settings here. Now on your settings, you want to go ahead and go to the search bar up here, and then you want to go ahead and find iCloud. So just type in iCloud like this. Now once you find iCloud, just go to the version here, iCloud here. Now on iCloud, you want to go ahead and go to Save to iCloud here, tap on this. Now on here, you want to go ahead and go to Contacts, and you want to turn this off. And then you want to tap on Keep on iPhone like this. And then after that, you want to turn it on again, and then you want to tap on merge. Now what will happen when you merge is that it's gonna pull a couple of your contacts from the cloud, and it's going to merge it with your current contacts right now on your iPhone. Now if that doesn't work, I'm gonna show you another method as well. You can go to your browser here, and then you want to go ahead and go to a website called contactsgoogle.com. So contact Google like this, contact Google. Now on here, you want to go ahead and find Google Contacts, this one, and then you want to sign in with your Google account. Let me just sign in. Once you have signed in, you can see this is all of the contacts I have on my phone right now. If you want to go ahead and pack up any of these contacts, you can. For example, I want to pack up this contact here. If I want to pack up on this contact, I just have to pick like this, and I have to open it. And then on here, I just have to tap on the 3-bar icon up here, and then I can export it like that.